Earth is our home, but not everywhere on this planet can humans survive. There are places where pressure would crush you in seconds, cold would kill you before you could take a breath, and heat turns the ground itself into a deadly trap. Today, you will discover the most extreme places on Earth, places where nature reveals its true power. The deepest place on Earth lies in the Pacific Ocean. It is known as the Mariana Trench. Its maximum depth reaches nearly 11,000 meters. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The water temperature there is only 1 to 4 degrees Celsius, but cold is not the greatest danger. At the bottom of the trench, pressure exceeds 1,000 atmospheres. This means that every square centimeter is under a force comparable to the weight of a small truck. Without a specially reinforced submersible, a human would be crushed in a fraction of a second. And yet, even in this complete darkness, life still exists. The highest point on the surface of Earth is Mount Everest. Its elevation is 8,849 meters above sea level. At the summit, there is nearly 3 times less oxygen than at sea level. Temperatures can drop to 60 degrees Celsius, and wind speeds can exceed 200 kilometers per hour. Above 8,000 meters lies what climbers call the death zone. In this zone, the human body slowly shuts down due to extreme oxygen deprivation. Even experienced climbers can remain there only for a very limited time. The hottest places on Earth. When we talk about the hottest place on Earth, it is important to distinguish 2 different records. The highest surface temperature ever recorded was detected in the Deshti Lut Desert in Iran. Satellite measurements recorded surface temperatures reaching up to 80.8 degrees Celsius. This temperature is so extreme that direct contact with the ground could cause severe burns within seconds. However, the official world record for the highest air temperature belongs to another location. That record is held by Death Valley in the United States. In 1913, at Furnace Creek, the air temperature reached 56.7 degrees Celsius. These conditions are deadly even for well-prepared humans. The coldest place on Earth is Antarctica. At Vostok Station, scientists recorded a temperature of 89 degrees Celsius. At such extreme cold, breath freezes instantly, metal becomes brittle, and exposed skin can freeze within seconds. This is a world where humans depend entirely on technology to survive. The driest place on Earth is the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica. Scientists believe that no rainfall has occurred there for nearly 2 million years. This extreme dryness is caused by powerful katabatic winds and a strong rain shadow effect, which evaporate any moisture before it can settle. However, when speaking of classic hot deserts, the record belongs to the Atacama Desert in Chile. In some regions of the Atacama Desert, no rainfall has been recorded for up to 400 years. The average annual precipitation is only 1 to 3 millimeters, making it the driest non-polar place on Earth. These places remind us that Earth is not only beautiful, but also unforgiving. Everything we consider normal life exists only within a narrow range of conditions. Subscribe if you want to discover more incredible facts about our planet.